Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I created this glamorous eye look. But before I go in with any eyeshadow, I am first going to prime the eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. And to apply this all over the eyelid, I'm using a Sigma Beauty P84 brush. This is my favorite brush to apply this primer, and it's also included in the brush kit that I created together with Sigma Beauty. I have a special discount code on all Sigma Beauty their brushes in the description bar. Now for today's video, I wanted to play with this palette from Tati Beauty, and I'm gonna start with this light brown color. I will make sure to put a playlist in the description bar with all the videos I made using this palette in case you guys are curious. It's actually one of my favorite palettes to use. I actually don't use it very much on camera, but if I would think about like all the palettes I have, I think this would definitely be in the top 5 of my favorite palettes because it's just so amazing. It's easy to blend out. The glitters are beautiful. I don't know, I don't have anything bad to say about it, so I really want to do more videos using it. So now I went in with this more of the orangey color, blending this in the crease as well. I'm using a Sigma E40 brush, and I'm just blending this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, blending my brush back and forth. And I just wanted to warm up my crease. Actually, when I started this makeup look, I had no idea what I was going for. I have this very often that I just start creating an eye look, but I don't really know what I'm doing. But most of the time, these kind of eye looks always turn out in something really nice because I can just kind of let my creativity do the work. I don't know how to describe that, but I hope that makes sense. So now I went in with this darker brown color and trying to create a little bit more depth like in the crease area. And just kind of like smoking it out. I think right now I'm using the E42 brush, not sure, but I will make sure to link it down in the description bar. And now I went in with this concealer from MAC. It's the Pro Longwear concealer in the shade, I think NC15, which is like the lightest color they have in this concealer. And I used a Sigma E42 brush, and I'm kind of like packing on the concealer. You can also use more of a precise flat brush, but I didn't want the crease to be like a cut crease. Like when I do a cut crease, the crease is gonna be like really sharp, but today I just wanted it to be like kind of blended softly. Now I'm gonna take this brush, which I think is from Suifa. It's like a flat shading brush, and I'm using this bronzy color, and I'm packing this all over the places where I applied the concealer. Actually, I feel like using a finger works so much better, but I first wanted to use a brush. I don't know. I always end up using my finger, so I don't even know why I continue using brushes. Then I went in with a clean brush to kind of like blend around the crease, and now I'm taking a angled brow brush from Sigma Beauty with some concealer, no, not concealer, with some gel eyeliner on it, and I use the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, which is my favorite drugstore gel eyeliner, but also like my favorite gel eyeliner in general. I think it's really nice. I have been using it for a really long time. Then I'm going in with the same brush with a little bit of this color, which is the black shade from the Tati Beauty palette, kind of making the wing a little bit longer. And by using eyeshadow, you can work a little bit more precise, and application is gonna be more soft because eyeshadow is just softer in general in comparison to like gel eyeliner. And then now I'm going to kind of like create a line towards my crease. I've actually seen a lot of makeup artists on Instagram do this kind of like 90s eye shape. I don't know if it's 90s or 80s, but this eye look kind of gives you that vintage vibe for some reason. Let me know if you know if it's like 80s, 90s. I have no idea, but I really like it. I think maybe it was Makeup by Mario who did kind of like a similar eye look on Kim Kardashian using gray colors, which was such a beautiful eye look. But yeah, it just gives you that old school vibes, which I really like. Then I used the Charlotte Tilbury pencil in the waterline, and then I went in with this dark brown color mixed with a different one using a flat definer brush, and I'm using this all the way underneath the lower lash line, trying to connect it with the wing liner to kind of like create some smokiness underneath the lower lash line. The flat definer brush from Sigma is my favorite to do so. And now I'm going back in with the first color, which we used all the way at the beginning. And I'm going to blend this all the way underneath the lower lash line. And just really trying to make it blended out as possible. And also kind of blending it a bit lower to get that blown out effect. Now going back in with the same pencil, but right now I'm going to use the different side because I felt like the waterline was a little bit too reddish. It's kind of like a brown with a reddish undertone, and I felt like it wasn't really suiting, so I went in with the different side on top of it, which is more like a bronzy color, and I actually think this looks so much better. So now I curled the lashes using a Tweezerman lash curler, and then now I'm going in with the mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, which is called the They're Real Mascara. Actually a super amazing mascara. It makes my lashes super long. I think the only downside is that I find it kind of hard to get off, especially when you don't use like a special eye makeup remover for like waterproof makeup. It's really hard to get it off your lashes. That's the only downside, but when I have it on, I think it looks incredible. Now I'm using these lashes from BH Cosmetics, and this is the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed. I have a picture on my Instagram showing the whole complete eye look. I will make sure to show it here as well. Yeah, that's the finished look. I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This will be really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!